making smoothie bowls. Super fresh and delicious. You're gonna wanna start your day with this one. Let's get started. We're gonna start with our frozen ingredients. So we've got our frozen pineapple. We've got frozen blueberries to give us a nice base color from our fruit. And our frozen banana. And that's gonna help with thickness of the smoothie. All right, our main coloring, which is all natural, it comes from butterfly pea shoot powder. Add our coconut milk, just a bit, because I like them nice and thick. And we'll blend. Make sure your blender does not dance off the counter. All right, now we're gonna plate our beautiful smoothie bowl. Oh my God, the color on this is great. It's beautiful and thick. All right. Now that our smoothie's in the bowl, we're gonna garnish. We've got all these great tropical garnishes. We're gonna start with some kiwi. That'll go right on top. All right, we've got some sliced pineapple. And you can do any fruit you like on this. Got this beautiful pink dragon fruit. Just get it all in there. All right, and some toasted coconut. Just sprinkle that on. And that's it. Got a great, beautiful breakfast. You're gonna wanna start your day with this one. This is a great, fresh breakfast, super easy to make. I hope you try it.